Hey guys, I wanted to show you how to import your stuff into your own homeroom and then how to link it with your buttons for the week. So we did Wednesday yesterday. Feel free to pause and play all you want. And then here's Thursday. I'm going to go ahead and just publish them since no kids are connected to the PLC. But I think we should also maybe just publish all of them for the week, and then they will only unlock on that day. So you do that. So here's Thursday. So again, 3 dots, copy 2, and then select your homeroom course. Copy. Successful. Great. And then Fridays, copy 2. Copy. Great. So then I'm going to hop over to my homeroom course and I look in my modules. Also, I work in 2 tabs. So if you can see right here, I have my own tab here and then the PLC tab right there. So that's how I switch back and forth. So now on mine, I have my one Friday and then my one Thursday. Oh, it looks like my Friday's not there. Oh, so you got to go back to Friday. Copy 2. Select course, night, copy. Let's check it out. There we go, here's Fridays. And as you can see, they're not all published either, so you need to make sure as a classroom teacher that you publish them or not publish them. All right, guys? Cool. All right, so I also want to teach you how to link your buttons for your weeks. So if you're in the first grade PLC, go to your pages. If you don't have your weekly buttons yet, view all pages. If you already have your weekly buttons set up, then you don't need to do this. So I'll go down to, I think it's called the week 1 page, and then 9-9 through 9-11 right here. So this one right here, you do the same thing, 3 dots, copy 2, and then you would choose your course. I made my own buttons. So here's mine, and of course the first one is just Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and so we want to link these buttons, and we did this one, yesterday or whatever, so that one works, yay, yay, yay. And so what we gotta do is we gotta now do Thursday and Friday. So here's my homeroom Thursday and Friday. Then go back to my buttons. Like I said, I usually work in different tabs. So I have one that has my modules here and another tab that has my buttons here. That way I can just copy and paste and I don't have to click around everywhere. Okay, so I'm going to edit my week 1. I don't know what you would say, days of the week buttons. And then we already linked Wednesdays, so we want to link Thursdays. So you click on Thursday, make sure it's highlighted. And then you want to link to URL, and this is where we need a copy of the website link. And this is where it's helpful to just click over here and find the Thursdays. And we're not going to link the modules, we're going to link the first page of the module. So I just right click it and click on copy link address. That way you don't actually have to go back and forth. So I just got that link. So then I go back to my buttons. I'm going to paste. And here you can see module items. So that means that you are linking it to an item within a module. So insert link. And if it's it blinks, it links. So then Friday, you're going to do the same thing. So you are going to link to URL. And I'm going to go back to my other tab and go down to Friday. Oh, wait, no, this should be up here. Make sure you do that. Okay, so Happy Fridays first. So then I will copy link address. Oh, was that the deal with this one though? Yeah, okay, good. So I did the copy link address. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to paste it. Insert link. So here's the real test. See if it works. We are going to save it. So we got Wednesday, let's click on Thursday. It should go here to the Happy Thursday, and then they go next through their module. Right, we know how that works. So I'm going to go back and try the Friday button. Oops. Friday. Ta-da. totally worked. Okay, so that's why when I make my pages, I guess I could have clicked on that. I make different weeks ahead of time. So that was week 1 ahead of time. And then what you can do, I made a weekly buttons template, and then my name because it's the cute little rainbows. And so this is my template. So what I can do is when I go back, look at my pages, and then I can come over here to my template right here. And same thing as you would do like for the other pages, you would duplicate it, and then it changes it to copy because it has to be named differently. And so I'm going to edit this copy, and I'm going to say week, you guessed it, 2. Oh, look, I already have one. And so that's where you would save that, and then you could go in here and then link next week's stuff, so you don't have to rush on it. So all you would really do to relink every week is just the student button. So let me know if you have any questions, guys, and good luck.